how to change the video quality on the YouTube app. So there's two ways to change the video quality. One is on a video itself, and then one is in the settings. So what we can do is go to YouTube. I already have a video here selected. So what you can do is once you have your video, you can go to the gear icon at the top right-hand corner of the video itself, and you're gonna get some options here. Go ahead and hit quality, and it's going to give you some options here if it's auto, higher pixel quality, data saver. So there's specific resolutions that your video can play at. You can go ahead and hit advanced. It'll give you some different options here to really go through and see which quality works for you. So it's real easy to do and be able to choose what you specifically want. Now, if you want to go through this phone setting or the YouTube app settings, it's really easy to do that as well. So we can close out of the video, go to your profile at the bottom right-hand corner, and then go to the gear icon at the top right corner. And then from here, what you can do is go down to where it says video and audio preferences and go ahead and hit video quality preferences. So from here, you have two things you can do. You can have it set on mobile networks and on Wi-Fi. So on mobile networks, I just have it set to auto here, but you can go ahead and click this and change it if you want to. On your Wi-Fi, so that would be your personal Wi-Fi, I have chosen higher picture quality. So you can go ahead and specifically dial these in for when you're on your data or just on your own Wi-Fi here to have picture qualities that suit your needs. And that's it. Really simple, really easy to